I have a story for you called When a Line Bends, a Shape Begins. It's by Rhonda Gowler Green and illustrated by James Casman. Just want you to get a look at the front cover and the back cover. Always a little interesting. Here's the title page. When a line bends, a shape begins. This is dedicated to Gary, Matt, Aaron, Linnea, and Brad. And it says, for Henry, happy first birthday, May 22nd, by the artist. This book was written in 1977. I'm sorry, 1997. What am I, crazy? Okay. A line is thin. A line is narrow, curved like a worm, straight as an arrow. A line is a jump rope, black ants in a row, a tug-of-war game, and a violin bow. A tall pole for fishing, a leash and a trail, a kite string, a shoelace, a whisker, a tail. Whiskers might be my favorite kind of line because that means there's a dog nearby or a kitty. Yes, a line is fine. But when a line swerves, when a line bends, watch what can happen. A shape begins. Ooh, this strong muscle man just bent this line to make, what shape is that? A circle. A square is four sides all the same. The boxes of a hopscotch game, a patch to cover up your knee, a present sent from you to me, a checkerboard of red and black, blocks to build with, share and stack. A cracker is a square to eat, a square dance is for happy feet. Take a look at all those things made of squares. A rectangle is like a square with something rearranged. Two sides are long and two are short. The four sides now are changed. Rectangles, a book to read, a window and a door, a picture hanging on the wall, a rug that warms the floor, a sign for selling lemonade, a box that you can hide in, a letter from the postman, and a wagon two can ride in. Here, I'll give you a chance. There's the letter. Take a look at all the things that are rectangles. Can you see these smaller pictures? A triangle is three sides, three corners, two, the white of a sailboat, a tent built just for you. A jack-o'-lantern's eye, a wicked witch's hat, the beak of a black crow, the prickled ears of a cat. An instrument meant to ring the pyramids of old, a lunch of jam and bread, a napkin in a fold. Does your family ever make you a sandwich cut into triangles instead of squares or rectangles? A diamond sits upon its point. Its four sides are the same, a giant green one in the infield of a baseball game. Yellow ones along the road serve as warning signs. Black and white ones stand out bold in fancy floor designs. Baby's gates are wooden ones that you can stretch or squeeze. A ballerina's legs form one when bending at the knees. A diamond is also called a rhombus. That's the true scientific name for it. An oval's like a circle, except it's not as stout. Two sides go in to make it thin, two other sides go out. Oval is a turtle shell, a way up high balloon, a beetle and a jelly bean, the curved scoop of a spoon. It's a mirror made to look in, an egg all colored bright, a mouth that's filled with singing, and a baby bundled tight. Look at all these ovals. I like the singing squirrel. That's a little silly. Spoon has an oval. A star is a five-pointed shape shining bright. Star shares the sky with the moon late at night. It tops tinseled trees in a season so merry. It sits on the tip of a wand of a fairy. Gold ones are given for good work in schools. The sheriff star warns the bad guys of the rules. A shooting star vanishes quick with a swish. Star is even the shape of a fish. There is such a thing known as a sea star or a starfish. Heart goes beat, ba beat, ba beat inside you all the time. It is also the shape that says, I love you, Valentine. A crescent is a slender shape, a yellow fruit to eat, a hammock strung between two trees for Dad to rest his feet. It is a smile when curving up, when down it is a frown. It is the moon when day is done that hangs above a town. Stop. An octagon has many sides. All counted, there are 8. You see it at the corner. It tells the cars to wait. Let's count the sides. We'll start up here where the red bird is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. Octo means 8. Shapes are here, shapes are there. Wherever you look, a circle, a square, a diamond, octagon, crescent, or star. Shapes to discover wherever you are. A rectangle, triangle, oval, or heart. Shapes with a curve or a corner to start. Anywhere, everywhere, shapes big and tall, dependable, bendable lines make them all. Here you go. What shapes do you see that the bird is juggling? Take a long look. That's pretty cool.